Hi guys, so as I'm walking to the garage, because in the garage I have all this wonderful stuff right here, which is stuff um, for the village places that are not here yet. We are going to be, so I've got everything from, got our Target here to some more cars for the toddler track. We've got things from like for the mechanic building. This is for the vet and Target. So there's a lot of fun stuff. Um, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. Like I said, the village is something that I like to think about all the time, and this is like one of the things. So I'm gonna take this cooking, and I'm gonna take this um, McDonald's register that I need to return out. I had to put new fresh batteries. Oh, wait, I need a strawberry that I also have for the farm. It's a bubble making machine as I drop it. But these things are going to go out to the village. And so here we go. The door's locked. So now I got to unlock it. All right, here we go. I got more packages I got to go through. But it's fun. And it's a lovely day with a slight breeze, which is nice. The sun is shining. So as I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I'm a little bit crazy, I guess. I don't know why this is. Maybe it's blue. Here, let's see if we can move this up like this. Maybe that's better. And let's go put this in the barn. And I'll set this on the mud kitchen and we'll put that away. We can do that first. So I'll put these things down here for now. And let's go to the mud kitchen. Now I'm going to set this up. Let's set this up a little bit. Here we go. What do you think, guys? Okay, so we are maybe opening this box. Forgot to bring a knife down here with me. Isn't this fun as I try to unpackage it? I don't suggest this at home to use your teeth, but mine are handy sometimes, so I do sometimes use it. So we are unpackaging this. So much fun! I was so excited. Okay, so in this kit for the kitchen, we got a cutting mat. Once again, the teeth. Not suggested. So let's see. This is it comes with a little baking mat. That's fun. People like that, and all the kids that come to play. Then we got like some measuring cups. That is fun also. It's got a little thing to hang them, which is even better. There we go. Then we got, oh, look at that nice little spatula. Or not a spatula, a cake, frost cakes and stuff. Spatula. Another spatula. This is fun. A spoon. Oh, the kids are going to be so excited to use this stuff. Look at that. And we got some teaspoons and tablespoons. Fun. This one up here. Nice. Oh, this is so much fun. Oh, cones. And another spatula. Ooh, and a knife. Okay. All right, here we go. And then we got, ooh, look at this one, man. So much fun. Oh, and a fruit baller. Woo! So much. Do. Right. Oh, and we got a rolling pin. Great in the mud kitchen. So what's fun? And then we got some little cupcake. They can make dirt cupcakes with these. How much fun is that? But with that, they can get lots of fun stuff for them to mix up and play with. And we're gonna put these ones maybe here. And then we've got little recipe books. Let's see what this is. I might have to bring this in the house. It's cookbooks with cooking with toddlers. Book cooking. Fruit salad. Ooh, these are cool. I'm gonna take these in and use them on my granddaughter in the house. So much fun. Because we do have a cooking set inside, so she'll be able to cook with the one I have, and then she'll be able to play with the ones out here. So just want to show you again. Let me clean up the trash first. All right, there we go. It's in the box. In the trash. So I can show you this a little bit. So we have all of these kind of fun stuff. Rocks and shells and rock strawberries and rock fruit. So if they play it with and leave it out, it doesn't work. And then we've got like rice, and we've got like little kind of different types of treasures to put in them. We love it all. And it gets really messy, but we also have the sink actually works. Oh, they both work. Isn't that fun? We have another one over here, and it too works. So, and then we have the microwaves down here that go as like stoves, and then lots of things up here. Little sand muffin, dirt pie, mud pie recipes, what you need to do those. So that's kind of fun. That's what we do out here on the farm. So here I go. I am walking this toddler track. With my pal, Pearl, wherever she is. There she is. She likes to walk with me and do whatever I do. She's my buddy and my pal. But here we go. So I'm on my way to McDonald's. I'm almost there. Aha! I see the McDonald's sign, so I'm here. Walking in. Let's turn this around. Oh, I guess I can't. So we're going to walk in. And I'm going to take this back to the fire station. But this is my McDonald's. Isn't it fun inside? My daughter made this menu. We got the drive-thru window right there. The sink. The refrigerator. Cabinet. That little drawer right there has lots of toys for the Happy Meals. We've got the, show you. So we have the Happy Meals right there in the boxes. Put them in. Oh yeah, if you're an employee at McDonald's, you wear the McDonald's uniform. And then we do have the intercom to be able to work the drive-thru. And here's a sink and the prep station, and then where you pay. So it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. Oh, we have a rug. It's a Golden Arches rug. And then we do have our potty. You know, you do have to have a restroom in the McDonald's. And it's good for when you're freshly potty trained. So we try to think of all that needs to be done. So now, as I leave the McDonald's, I have to take this fire truck to the fire station. It was in the McDonald's. I left it there last night when I went to clean after the party. But I am almost there now. Here's the fire station. How do I know it's the fire station? Look at the mailbox. Isn't that cool? We're walking in. The fire truck is now located where it needs to be. It's back where it's at. The fire station. And then we have this wall that they can play on. Then there, the fire truck little rocking chair. And then if you go up the stairs, the ladder, you go up the ladder right here. You can go up and over and slide down this pole. Isn't that fun? So, and you don't want to forget your uniform when you're in the firehouse. So that's just some of the stuff that we have here. So, beautiful day. So I am going to go and enjoy the day. Thank you for stopping by.